Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we will discuss how to cure dry cough. A dry cough can be quite infuriating, especially when it interferes with work or sleep. The worst part is that it may seem to occur without a cause and can be quite persistent. Symptoms of a dry cough are common cold, sore throat or itchiness in the throat, runny nose and other bacterial or viral infection. Here are some special home remedies to cure dry cough naturally. Home remedy number 1, honey. Honey may help to stop a dry cough because of its anti-inflammatory properties. Consume 2 teaspoons of honey twice a day. Alternatively, you can add 2 teaspoons of honey to warm water or herbal tea and sip on it to get relief from a dry cough. Home remedy number 2, ginger. Ginger eases your dry and itchy throat and reduces inflammation and pain. Take 1 to 2 inches of ginger, 1 teaspoon of honey and 2 cups of water. Pour water in a saucepan and add ginger to it. Bring it to a boil and simmer for a few minutes. Turn the heat off and strain the tea. Add honey to the tea and drink it while it's warm. Sip on this tea twice a day. Home remedy number 3, thyme. Thyme promotes the secretion of saliva and helps cure dryness in the throat. Take 1 teaspoon of thyme and 1 cup of hot water. Put crushed thyme leaves into a glass of boiling water. Let it steep for about 15 minutes. Strain the water into a cup and drink it. Home remedy number 4, onion cough syrup. Onions help in relieving cough effectively. Take 1 large diced onion, 2/3 cup of raw honey, 10 pieces of cloves, 1-inch piece of ginger and half lemon juice. Pour the honey into a saucepan over low heat. Add the diced onion to it. Put the ginger and cloves into the mixture. Squeeze half a lemon into the mixture. Cover the saucepan and let it simmer on low flame for around 20 minutes. After that, remove the heat source and allow the mixture to cool down. Strain the mixture into a container and allow it to cool down. Once it has reached room temperature, transfer the syrup to an airtight jar. Consume 1 teaspoon every 2 to 3 hours to reduce coughing. Home remedy number 5, basil. Basil helps soothe the throat and boost the immune system. Take 2 tablespoons of basil juice and half teaspoon of sugar. Add the sugar to the basil juice. Mix the two well using a wooden spoon. Consume the mixture periodically. Home remedy number 6, apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is also very effective to cure a dry cough. Take 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 3 tablespoons of water, half teaspoon of ginger powder, half teaspoon of cayenne pepper and 1 tablespoon of honey. Pour the apple cider vinegar in a container with water. Add ginger powder, honey and cayenne pepper to it. Stir the ingredients using a wooden spoon. Once mixed properly, consume the mixture periodically. These remedies are very effective to cure a dry cough, so try these remedies to get relief from dry cough. Thanks for watching this video. Like this video, share this video and subscribe our channel for more interesting videos.